All right, guys, in this video, you guys are about to watch me get into full production mode. I'm going to be printing up 10 shirts from start to finish using the OmniPrint Cheetah, which is an industrial grade DTG printer. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And in this video, we wouldn't ever be using this out of the house, but no matter where you are, how big a space you got to look to grow, so you may have to upgrade. And the Cheetah is something that you can start with the FreeJet 330TX Plus and over years build it up. So you guys are about to watch me get to work here with Victor right after the intro. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this. But before we do, I need you guys to do three things for me. I need you to like this video. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and hit that post notification bell because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. And today, I'm here in beautiful California, here at OmniPrint International with Victor Pena, and we're about to get to work. So Victor, let them know a little bit more about your company.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Victor Pena, founder, CEO of OmniPrint International here in sunny Southern California. Our mission is to grow a huge community of entrepreneurs that are winning with print on demand and direct to garment. And today we're going to have Stan use the Cheetah industrial direct to garment printer, which is the newest, most high quality and fastest printer on the market for industrial grade DTG printing.
All right, guys, so the first step we're going to do is actually pre-treat in a little bit of a faster pace than we did in the previous videos. So we're going to use a conveyor dryer. We're going to pre-treat a few shirts first before I jump onto the machine. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is pre-treat some shirts, and we're in a high-paced environment. You guys are going to get to see me print on a Cheetah next. So in this situation, we're actually going to use a dryer versus what you guys seen in past videos, which basically is like a single printer setup, right? So how does this differ, and what does this process take to actually get your shirts ready to print?
Yeah, for sure. So when you're in our fulfillment area for high volume pre-treatment, right? So in order for us to feed an industrial direct-to-garment printer, the Cheetah, fast enough, we got to pre-treat faster, right? So we have a setup here that speeds up the drying time of the pre-treatment, right, and then it gives you a nice finish in a more industrial way, right? So if you notice here, we also have the direct treater dual, which is loaded from the side, and you have the side pedal so that you can load 5, 6 shirts, a dozen, and then peel it off as you hit the pedal, right? So it helps you not only pre-treat faster, but then also dry faster, right?
So then once it comes out the other side, we have to actually hit it with the heat press. But this time, instead of those longer presses, it's only what?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. So that'll definitely speed things up. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna load, I think, 4 shirts in. We're gonna pre-treat them, and I'm gonna try to see if I'm fast enough to get to the other side to catch them and heat press them. So let me get to it.
Let's go.
All right. Grab this here. All right, guys, we got it all pre-treated, and right now I'm standing in front of the machine here. It's called the Cheetah. Victor, tell me about this machine.
Yeah, so this is one of the fastest and most high quality direct-to-garment printers in the industry. You're gonna be able to do shirts from 30 to 45 seconds, full color, dark shirts. And this is how the big boys do it, right? How do the big fulfillment centers are able to deliver so many shirts at once? Cheetah.
So how
right?
big are the companies that normally have this type of printer, and what kind of jobs are they doing?
So when it's time to hop to this kind of printer, you want to be doing at least 500 a day, right? When it comes to customized direct to garment full color prints, right? Because that gives you the scale. The Cheetah can do somewhere around 8 to 1,000 shirts a day, right? But I want you to at least have some of that business so that the Cheetah is not just sitting there, right? Because this thing is a beast and it's made to run.
Yeah, and then you can take that, if you got that starting point, you can kind of scale it up and start to find ways to improve your business and things. Now, we talked a little bit off camera about the print heads and all of this stuff. How complex is this machine, and what allows it to go so fast?
So there's a few different things. So we focus on quality, right? So Cheetah just won Product of the Year for the first time for an industrial direct-to-garment printer. Why is that? We focus on the highest quality print heads. So here we have 10 of them. We also have an expanded color set. So you're gonna see like super bright oranges, greens. Why? Because there's more than just CMYK. Similar to what you would see like in a sublimation print, right? That it pops like that. We also develop our own inks for this Cheetah so that it can go fast. So once you have a benchmarking of speed, you gotta have inks that you develop yourself so that also the inks could look nice and you can print fast, right? So those are the biggest reasons why you would use a Cheetah.
So you invest that much money into the machine, you got the business rolling now. What does the cost start to look like once you start to speed up, and how does that cut some of your costs with a bunch of smaller machines?
Yeah, so what happens is, number one is labor, right? So a Cheetah can do the work at about 10 smaller direct-to-garment machines with one operator, right? So now you're looking at the speed, right? And you're looking at the labor savings. It's also tuned to have a big bulk ink system, but what that means is like huge reservoirs for ink that lowers your cost of operation, right? So we're super huge about the lowest cost per print. And I only do like legit speed tests with a high quality image. You know, a lot of companies say, hey, this machine can do 2,000 shirts an hour, right? But today, guys, we're gonna see how fast Stan can do 10 shirts in a real mode, high quality, because we wanna show like legit what you could do in a production environment, right? And that's what the big guys do. In terms of cost, you're gonna be somewhere sub $3, including the blank, including labor, including everything, which is a huge difference when you're doing a smaller type of operation, when you're doing industrial, right?
So last question before I get to work here. How many printers can one person of the free jets can one person kind of operate?
Reliably, you can operate 3 to 4 free jets, right, for one person. So, and then you need, you know, backup for brakes and stuff like that. So a Cheetah can do the production of 10 free jets, right? So you look at around 4 employees for that, and maybe somebody helping when it comes to unloading and throwing stuff in the oven, that kind of stuff. So you're thinking about it, you have 5 employees to 1, 10 machines to 1. But also look at the footprint. You know, so if you have this kind of footprint and you have that volume to keep it running, it's best to go this way. A lot of our customers start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the numbers start making sense, you can go up to a Cheetah, right? So that's why I always want to develop products, not just for the big guys, but people starting, people in between, because it really helps us with our mission, right? Our mission is to create a huge community of entrepreneurs that are winning with direct-to-garment, print-on-demand. And if we don't have a way to help them grow with machines, then we're not going to accomplish our mission, right? So that's why we do that.
Definitely. So right now, you guys are getting ready to watch me go to work. Victor, what am I walking myself into right here?
So we got a job of 10 shirts, and basically we're going to time you to see how fast you can print 10 shirts, because you said you're the DTG GOAT.
Yes.
Right? So now we're going to...
10 minutes of training, right?
10 minutes of training.
And I'm ready to go. So I'm ready to jump in. The flow I got to do is I got 2 shirts preloaded already. I got to hit the green, unload, put it on the dryer, load the next one, be ready to go, hit the green, and then cycle back and forth. So
Etzel's going to send 10. We can send I think he's got 2 there, 8 here. So when it's beeping on the buttons, it means it's ready for you to get rolling, right? So
all right,
there you go, baby. I'm going to get out of your way, get to work. I'm going to be timing you right here. 10 minutes of training on the cheetah. Stan's gonna do a job right here. 10-shirt job.
Wait, that was 10 minutes of training on the free jet. I got like 1 minute of training over here. When we're done this here, I'm gonna be able to say I'm just as fast as a cheetah. Watch. All right, man, growing up, I'm gonna be honest with you, my favorite animal was a cheetah. I was like a little fast kid, playing football.
There you go.
Officially today, like I said, in the middle of that, I'm actually gonna say now that I'm just as fast as a cheetah. So now my DTG GOAT name title is gonna actually stick with me. I kept up, not bad for the first try, you know?
Yeah, no, it's not bad. Plus, you're loading them straight, you're keeping up with it. And if you guys slow down to load it up straight, I'd rather you do that than the stuff come out crooked, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So this is like a high quality mode that any shirt's gonna look nice on, like a mid-range speed. We were at around 34 seconds on a full-size dark print, including whiting, including everything. You could go faster, right? But this will work every day on every image, right? So I wanna show like legit stuff that anybody can do once they get a product like this.
Yeah, and I actually like the flow kind of. You like, once you get a little rhythm, I think I forgot to hit the button on one of them, but once you have a little bit of a rhythm, it's kind of like you good to go.
Yeah, you gotta hustle.
Right, and if you were doing any other print method, it seems like I was kind of cool, calm, and just able to actually work and keep up. So this could definitely be something that one person could run a lot of shirts with versus having multiple machines, and then you kind of like flipping the pallets off and moving around and stuff like that. You get a real flow. And I think my background in screen printing helped me with loading the shirts because it's the same exact method. So if someone was translating and you move an operator from a screen print pallet to one of these, it'll just be a normal flow, hit the button and keep it rolling. So I definitely like this machine, man. I can see the potential to obviously take your costs down, but drive your income up ultimately because the investment in the machine will get you the production that you can kind of make up the difference. And over time, I'm pretty sure it'll pay for itself.
Oh yeah, for sure. This thing prints money very much. If you got that production, like it's a no-brainer. And if you look at the quality that you're putting out, like you're gonna get the repeat orders. It's not like we're not gonna say, hey, speed is important, and we go to quality and speed at the same time, right?
Definitely. So if you guys want quality prints, if you're looking into a DTG business, make sure you start small, man. Start with a FreeJet 330 TX Plus and then work your way up. Don't be intimidated by what you see on these price tags. Figure out if it's the right thing for your business. And once you figure that out, the rest will take care of itself. You get to start small and kind of grow that thing out year over year. And maybe one day you'll be in a cheetah and you'll be just as fast as me, the DTG GOAT. So if you guys got any questions or comments, make sure you put them down in the comments below. Let them know one more time where they can find you at and everything about the company.
Yeah, definitely. So like I told you guys, our mission is to build a huge community of entrepreneurs that are winning with print on demand. You can find us everywhere online. Make sure that you are following us at OmniPrint International on Instagram. YouTube is OmniPrint International. We do a lot of educational stuff all over the web for you guys. And we don't sugarcoat stuff. We actually have people like Stan come over here and work and show us what it really takes to do this kind of business. So thank you guys, and make sure you follow us and follow this guy.
Yep, all of the links to OmniPrint will be down in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.